If you're in your 20s and you feel lost, unmotivated, or like you're just going with the flow, you're not alone. But here's the truth. You're wasting the most important decade of your life. And I'm not saying that to scare you. I'm saying it because I've been there. The good news, you can fix it, starting today. Here's what most people get wrong about their 20s. They think it's a time to figure things out later. Party now, settle down at 30. But while you're watching Netflix, scrolling, living for the weekend, your most flexible, high-energy, risk-tolerant years are slipping away. This is the decade where you build direction, discipline, and momentum. If you waste these years, you're not just delaying success. You're building habits that will lock you into mediocrity. The scary part? No one's going to come stop you. No one's checking if you're reading, growing, building, investing in yourself. That's on you. And if you're thinking, I don't know what I want yet, that's fine. You don't need the full map. You just need a direction. Start building momentum in something. Learn a skill. Get your health right. Read real books. Start stacking wins. Because when you do, clarity follows action, not the other way around. Let me give you 5 things that will change your 20s starting today. 1. Audit your circle. If your closest friends don't challenge you, they're holding you back. 2. Learn one high-value skill. Coding, sales, design, marketing, video editing. Pick one. Spend 6 months on it. You'll be ahead of 95% of people your age. 3. Take your health seriously. Sleep, gym, nutrition. If your body's sluggish, your brain will be too. Energy is your advantage. 4th, read every day. You don't need to read 100 books. Start with 10 that change how you think. Try Deep Work, Atomic Habits, The Psychology of Money. 5. Build something. Anything: YouTube channel, a newsletter, a business, a portfolio. Create more than you consume. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to stop being passive. Most people waste their 20s reacting to life. They chase dopamine, distractions, and cheap validation. You're not most people. You're watching this because something inside you knows there's more, that you're meant to do something with your time, your mind, your life. The world doesn't need more people coasting. It needs more people who decide to live with intention. If this hit you, don't just scroll to the next video. Take one action right now. Comment below what you're changing first. And if you want more real, no BS advice on building a life you're proud of, hit subscribe. You're not late, but you are responsible for what happens next.